Question 1. What is garbage collection in Python? How does it work? Garbage collection is an automatic memory management technique employed by programming languages to deallocate memory that is no longer needed by the program. In Python, the garbage collector identifies and frees up memory occupied by objects that are no longer accessible or referenced by the program's code. Python combines two methods for efficient memory management. Number 1. Reference counting. Python primarily uses reference counting for memory management. When the number of references to an object reaches 0, the memory is deallocated immediately. However, reference counting alone cannot handle cyclic references, which brings us to number 2, cycle detection. Cyclic references, also known as circular references, occur in programming when two or more objects reference each other in a way that forms a cycle. This means that object A has a reference to object B and object B has a reference back to object A, either directly or indirectly through a chain of references. Here's a simple example. In this example, list 1 contains a reference to list 2 and list 2 contains a reference to list 1, creating a cyclic reference between the two lists. The reference count for each list would never drop to 0 because each list contains a reference to the other. This would normally lead to a memory leak as the lists would never be deleted. This is why Python's garbage collector employs cycle detection algorithms such as the mark and sweep algorithm. This algorithm marks objects that can be accessed from the main application and then scans the remaining objects, deallocating any unmarked ones. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Pragya Ghosh and I'll see you next time.